If you're at the checkout page in Sam's Club and don't see Afterpay listed, well, it's actually true. If you check Sam's Help Center, you will find a list of accepted payment method. And yes, Afterpay isn't on the list. So that simply means they don't take Afterpay. So the only solution for this is look into other payment options. You can go explore other different payment options, or you might want to purchase Walmart gift cards through the Afterpay website, and this way you can use these Walmart gift cards at Sam's Club as they are accepted there. So this provides a convenient alternative if you're looking for various ways to make your transactions. And that's basically it. In summary, that's the workaround, an alternative method for those interested in using Afterpay at Sam's Club. So keep in mind that situations can change, so it's a good practice to stay informed. Visit Sam's help page for the most recent updates, and you never know, there might be changes or new options coming up. So stay in the loop. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.